with the Tomra T-710 with this load of returnables that a guy just straight up gave to me. So thanks to him for that. We're going to try to throw them through here. There goes one. Looks like a lot of beer cans. I apologize for background noise, there's a bunch of it. Man, what a sticky, smelly load. Jesus. Now I'll just put that one in there. 6 toner. I'll cache it. Then I'll go clean off real quick. I love bottle returns that have actual sinks, because that way you don't have to go home stinking like a madman. That pile there is actually stuff that I collected from rejects. I'm just going to toss this in the garbage and take my receipt out. And there it is, 12 kroner, 6 containers, Tomra 710. That is the end of that stinky redemption.